Hello, AllTech family. My name is William. What I'm going over today is how to flush your condensate line and why you would like to flush it. So, in the summertime, this coil can produce anywhere between 5 to 20 gallons of water, and it travels out of here all the way down into the drain. So, what you're going to do is take this, push it up through here, make sure there's no dust or debris, pull this out. And then we're going to get a gallon of water, put the funnel in, and we're just going to pour. And what we're checking is to make sure that this is a steady pour and that there's no blockage. Now this is beneficial because if there's any blockage when you're doing this, it's something you're going to want to get taken care of before it backs up and becomes an issue in the summer. So when this is producing 5 to 20 gallons of water on a hot day, if there's a block somewhere, what's going to happen is your system can start to overflow. And with the water safety, it'll turn the system off. But if you don't have a water safety, it can start leaking onto the floor and cause a big mess. So now that that is flushed, we're going to put this back on. And it flushed pretty good, so there's no clog. A homeowner can do this once a month or every quarter if they'd like. This is something a technician should be doing at every inspection.